tragedy along the lake shore. The siblings now of two small drowning victims taken from their respective families. It's a story that we've been on top of since the weekend. And 24 Hour News 8's Leon Hendricks joins us with more.
Well, Brian, the investigation is continuing here at the Muskegon Heights Police Department, but already prosecutors have signed these petitions to the court to have the siblings of the drowning victims taken into temporary custody of the court. We're talking about 5 children here, 2 separate families. They're the siblings of Yamisha Mitchell and Tori Day, the 2 6-year-old children that drowned Sunday. The drownings happened in a pool behind a vacant house while the kids wandered with another young sibling without adult supervision. They were picking flowers for Mother's Day. That sparked a Child Protective Services investigation, and we've learned it's not the first time they've had to look at either of these kids' families. In 2001, Yushima Phillips, Yamisha's mother, she has 2 daughters living with her now and was investigated for improper supervision. She's also been investigated in the past for failure to provide stable housing and keep the utilities on. Just this past week, just 2 days before the drownings, a Child Protective Services worker substantiated claims of improper supervision and threatened harm. Prosecutors say drugs were being used in the home by visitors. For Tori Day's mom, Mecca Orr, who had 3 other children, this is also not her first investigation. Prosecutors say her home is an unfit place for kids to live. They say she's neglected her children and failed to get them proper medical care. Earlier this year, Child Protective Services substantiated neglect claims and found that Mecca's kids had not been attending school. They say Tori, in fact, had only attended 3 days so far this school year, and that a 10-month-old baby in the home had only seen a doctor once since birth. Prosecutors allege she had resisted help in making changes to her living situation. Both mothers now have their children taken into temporary custody of the court. They'll likely be placed in the care of family members while this case continues to unravel. The investigation continues here at the police department and is forward to the King County or to the Muskegon County Prosecutor's Office. Reporting live, Leon Hendricks, 24 Hour News 8.